I came to greet Mr. President. I have not seen him in 2026 to wish him a happy new year. But also, very importantly, yesterday we saw how the world's most powerful man, President Donald Trump of the United States of America, acknowledging not just the President of Nigeria, First Lady, describing her as a very respectable woman, a very responsible woman, and a pastor of the largest church in Nigeria. And he invited her to stand up for recognition. Now, if you see how some other presidents are even, the kind of language, President Trump is very blunt. So when he uses those kind of words to describe our First Lady, as a Nigerian, I feel proud. And I thought it's important enough for us to say, Mr. President, congratulations. Because if it was the other way around, imagine what the opposition would be saying now. And for Trump to say, Nigeria First Lady is here. He is a Christian, but also a Christian pastor. A woman that commands respect, a responsible and respectable woman. So congratulations. And you saw the applause. He was beaming to recognize the First Lady. So for me as a Nigerian, that for me is worth celebrating.
So what do you think that means diplomatically, sir, for Nigeria?
Pardon?
What do you think that means diplomatically for Nigeria?
It just means that, first and foremost, to the credit of Mr. President, that Trump understands that the Nigerian president is a Muslim, but he now celebrates the fact that he has a Christian wife who is also a pastor of the largest church in Nigeria. So there can be no tension between the Quran and the Bible. And that for me is a message to all Nigerians that we should just work together as a people for the common good. If there are challenges, we face them collectively as a people. If there are benefits, we share the benefit equitably to our people. For me, that is the central message. We mustn't run down our country. We have issues together, we will fix them, and they are being fixed.
Excellent.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Thank you. I appreciate it.